In our previous video, we learned how we can create an account in PostMagic. In this video, I will give you an overview about the PostMagic system. First of all, on the left-hand side, we can see the menu bar. If we hover with our mouse here, the menu appears fully and we can see all of the menu options. First, we can see the dashboard here. All of your social media accounts that you have added into the system are displayed here. Also, you can see the analytics here. For example, graphics like this one. But currently in this dashboard there is no data, as in this account there has not been any activity yet. However, you'll be able to see here how many posts you've created and how many posts have been successfully posted, as well as how many posts have failed to be posted and your total number of posts. So the next option after dashboard is Publish All. In the Publish All tab, I can create a post. On the left-hand side, you can see an option called Add Account. It means that I did not add any accounts yet, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other social media accounts. Had I added accounts there, they would show up here. You could then select all of them and you could create a post and simply click on the Post Now button, and this post would then be published on all of the selected accounts at the same time. Let's say that you are creating a post for Facebook, but you plan for the same post to be posted on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google My Business, or other social media platforms. What we usually do is we create separate accounts for each of the social media channels. Then we log into each separate account and we post in these platforms individually. But when you are using the Publish All function, a single post can be distributed to all of these channels in one go. Next, you can see the Facebook option here. It is self-explanatory. If you are planning to make a post specifically on Facebook, then this is where you will come and you will click on the Post button and then you will get the same overview here. If you create a post, it will be published in Facebook in that particular Facebook account. Let's take a look now at another option here under the Facebook option called Livestream. With the Livestream function, you can do Livestream on Facebook. This function works with pre-recorded video. You can upload this pre-recorded video here. Then you have to simply fill here all the necessary fields and click on Post Now. Once you do this, your pre-recorded video will be live on Facebook as a live video. Also, you can first upload the video and then schedule it for later. That is, you can set a particular date when you want to release that video. Now let's go back to the menu bar. Here you can see the Twitter option. You can also see here an option to create a Twitter post. You can also schedule that post for later. And here is also the analytics option. When you are running a campaign and have some activity on your posts or in your accounts, all of this activity will be visible in the Twitter analytics window. Here's the direct message option. If someone sends a message to you, you can reply to those messages from within the PostMagic system. Here's the trends option. Trends allows you to understand data about the newest trends. This can help you to choose a topic on which to write a post or run a campaign. Right now there are no trends shown here, as we did not add any Twitter accounts into our PostMagic system. We have same tools here for Instagram too. We have the post option and the live streaming option, which will enable you to do live streaming. You also have analytics here, which will show you all of the analytical data, and the direct message function, which will enable you to send direct messages from within the PostMagic to your followers on Instagram. We also have LinkedIn here. Here with the post option, you can post or schedule a post on LinkedIn. And with Google My Business, we have the same functions here available as with the other social media accounts. And with Google My Business, it is important to highlight that if you are involved in any e-commerce business, or if you want to promote your own website, being active in Google My Business and regularly submitting posts can definitely increase your chances to get a good position on Google. Further on, we can see the team option. The team option is quite self-explanatory. By using this function, you can add your team members to your account in a way that they can have a particular level of access. This is especially useful if you are running a social media management agency and you manage social media accounts for other companies. In this case, you may need to add multiple people here. To do this, simply locate this area and invite here any of your team members. You can also allocate each particular team member a specific access level. Hopefully this clarifies what is Team Manager. Next, here you can see the schedule. Here you will see some posts and you will see which posts will be posted on which date. You can see the history of your schedule here, and you can also schedule a post from within here. Let's say you choose a date and then you click on Add Post. Now you can create a post and that post will be released on that particular date. And this is how the scheduling works. Next, you can see the Account Manager. The main thing you can do here is to add your accounts, such as your Facebook profile, Facebook page, or Facebook group. Also Instagram profile or Twitter profile or any other social media channels compatible with PostMagic. After you add a social media profile or page or group, you can later delete those here from this area, and this is how the Account Manager works. Here we have the File Manager. Here you can add your images or videos or any other media. Once you click here, you will see the Upload button. When you click on the Upload button, you'll be able to import any media that you want. Here you can also see a Dropbox button, a OneDrive button, and link. This means that if you were to integrate your Dropbox, and if your other team members are uploading files into Dropbox, then here you can have a direct access to those files from within the PostMagic dashboard, and similarly with OneDrive. Further on, here we can also see an option called Group Manager. From the Group Manager, you can access all of the groups that you have added to your PostMagic system. Next, we have here the Caption option. When you are making any posts in Facebook or Twitter or any other social media channels, in the post creation area you will find an option called Captions. Let's say I am adding a caption now. My caption will be, "Hello world." Now let's click on Submit. Now my caption has been added to my system and I can either delete it or I can add more captions. Some days you may have more time available and maybe you add hundreds of topics as captions on that day. Then once you are adding a post, you will see that the system will give you the option to add captions too. Then if I click here, any caption I have previously created here will appear in this list. And you can just choose the caption from here. For example, you can see that this is one of the captions I created earlier. If I click on it, this caption will appear in my post description. One way to use captions is as follows. When you have some free time, you can create multiple captions, and then later when you are creating a post, you can use a caption from the list of captions you prepared earlier. Also, you can give access to this functionality to one of your team members who has good writing skills, and they can create the captions for you. If, for example, someone else is efficient with photo editing or creating other digital content, but is not so good with writing, they can simply get the captions prepared in advance by someone else and make the posts this way. This is one way how you can benefit from using caption functionality. Furthermore, we have an option called Watermark. If you want to add a watermark, you can simply upload your company or brand logo here and save it. Now, whatever post you are creating and publishing to any of your social media channels, that post will be published with that watermark or with that logo. Now let's discuss about this top bar. Here is your profile name, and near your profile name you will see one small image icon called Image Optimizer. The Image Optimizer is useful in situations when, for example, you download images from online or upload those from your camera. Frequently, these images will be very heavy, even 1 to 10 megabytes large. Such heavy files are not suitable for social media or any other web-related usage. Also, if you want to use the PostMagic system, you will have a limitation of space. For example, I have a limit of 500 megabytes, and this is not a lot. Therefore, if your one image will already be 10 megabytes large, then you will not be able to store many images. So if you click on the Image Optimizer, in the next window you can then choose your image here, upload it, and the system will optimize the image for you according to the settings compatible with various social media channels or other web usage. We have a special video dedicated to Image Optimizer, and it will help you to learn how to use it. So let's go back to the dashboard. Here is a button called Upgrade, which is self-explanatory. If you click on it, you'll be able to upgrade your plan. And here we have a button called Start UK Dropshipping. This is here because PostMagic is created by a company called Get Shop Today. GetShop Today is a UK-based e-commerce platform and they provide dropshipping services. If you are interested in starting a dropshipping business, simply click here and it will take you to the main GetShop Today offer page, and if you like that offer, you can then subscribe to it. We hope this video has given you a more or less good idea about the PostMagic dashboard. Thanks for watching.